Hey, just a short video with a bit of an update to let you all know about the new name of my channel. It's not Rock Lobster Cat anymore. The new name is now Trail Mix. And before you think, Trail Mix, eh? That's terrible that. Well, hold on. The reason behind it is I like a bit of single track, a bit of, bridle way. Don't mind a bit of road, cycle paths. I like hills, I like uphill, I like downhill. It's all a bit of a mix, really. And that also wanting my channel to be more, not just about bikepacking, but more like cycling, some of my day rides, shorter ones as well, shorter rides and longer rides. And I've also just been getting into hiking, I would say, in the last 6 months. I know very little. And I was thinking about maybe I could post videos of some of my hiking trips, camping as well. A mixture of outdoors things, really, yeah. Like, I keep saying the word mix, so yeah, trail mix. And the last reason is, I've noticed in all my videos that I'm always eating trail mix, and I always mention trail mix, and that's where it came to us. Obvious title, so that's it. So, see you soon. I'm just packed, ready for another bikepacking trip coming up. I'm going to be trying to get more videos out as much as I can, and thanks to everybody who's liked my last video and subscribed. I appreciate it. So see you soon.